Today we'll teach you how you can use index match instead of VLOOKUP function to pull information between two tables. So first of all, why index match? Index match will help you overcome most of the shortcomings of lookup. Here we'll specify several reasons. Reason number 1, the VLOOKUP function can only look up a value from left to right. This means that the column containing the value you look up should always be located to the left of the column containing the return value. Now, if your spreadsheet isn't built this way, then do not use VLOOKUP. Use the combination of index and match functions instead. Reason number 2, VLOOKUP formulas get broken or delivers incorrect results when a new column is deleted from or added to a lookup table, because VLOOKUP syntax requires specifying the index number of the column you want to pull the data from. Naturally, when you add or delete columns, the index number changes. With index match, you specify the return column range, not an index number. As the result, you are free to insert and remove as many columns as you want without worrying about updating every associated formula. Reason number 3. When using the VLOOKUP function, the total length of your lookup criteria cannot exceed 255 characters, otherwise you will end up having the error. So, if your dataset contains long strings, index match is the only working solution. Reason number 4. In VLOOKUP, when you rearrange some of the columns from the source table, the data you are pulling will also change. However, index match will ensure the changes in the alignment of data in the source table does not affect the information being pulled by the index match function. Reason number 5. If your tables are relatively small, there will hardly be any significant difference in Excel performance. But if your worksheets contain hundreds or thousands of rows and consequently hundreds or thousands of formulas, match index will work much faster than VLOOKUP, because Excel will have to process only the lookup and return columns rather than the entire table array. Now, I will proceed to show exactly how to proceed with this. Let us consider an example on the screen where we have two tables, Table A and Table B. Now, it is our wish to pull the first names from Table B to Table A by referencing the identification numbers that are present on both columns. Here we'll use index function to accomplish the task. Type in index function, open parenthesis. Then here we have to select the array. Array is the column or set of data we wish to pull to the other table. In that case, we'll select column J, comma. Then we have to specify row number where this name is allocated. However, we'll not proceed to input row numbers manually, as it will be an impossible task for sheets with a lot of data. Mind you, here we are looking for the row number of specific identity number from Table B referenced from Table A. So this will be done by match function. So we'll type match, then open parenthesis, then select lookup value. Here it is cell C4, comma, then select lookup array, which is the column we'll find our lookup value. Here we select column, comma, then select exact match, close parenthesis first time, and now second time for the base index formula, and click enter. As you can see, it has bring the names exactly as they look on Table B. In case you rearrange some other columns from the source table, nothing will be affected on the pulled data. Thanks for watching, and in case you found this content useful, please like and subscribe to the channel.